Welcome back to this series of warm to life stuff.
But there's something holding on in the way of being long gone.
I guess time to wake up, time to wake up. I guess time to wake up, time to wake up.
Take a look at this. This fire season is going to be bad. Remember to check on your friends and family. Make a plan, and if you're able to donate any money, the links are below. I hope you enjoy this video. Last video, I talked about how to adjust the temperature of your photos to make them look wintry or summery. And in this video, I'm going to explain how to do that in a video. And this is not limited to Final Cut Pro 10. You can do this in DaVinci. DaVinci is actually probably the better program to do it in because a lot of movie companies use DaVinci Resolve to color grade their videos. But you can do this in anything. Premiere Pro, Final Cut, what's the basic version of Final Cut called iMovie? Anything you have, you should, anything with a color window or a temperature gain, you should be able to do it. So open up your video footage and go up to the left hand top, right hand top side, and click on the color wheels. Open up your color wheels. And slowly, if you're going for a wintry cold move, slowly edge it up towards the bluey, those whites. That will give you more of a bluey kind of effect. And what you also want to do, and you can do this in your photos too, is turn up the blacks. And if you're recording a movie at night time, or a really dark, maybe a depressing scene or video or whatever you're doing, and you want to get across that depressing, you want your blacks to be really black. So turn up the blacks. Try not to push it too far because it will grain up on you. And then turn down the whites a tad, not much. So that's one way you can edit your video footage to make it look a bit cooler. You know what really does, you know what else really helps set the mood is when you overuse ND filters that make your image all dark. Look how nice that looks. Maybe I want to record my videos like this all the time, next to this tree. It looks amazing. I love it. And so another way you can adjust the mood of your footage is by using a HDR preset. And HDR works well in bright, sunny, well-lit footage. Do not put an HDR preset on your footage if you're recording in the dark or nighttime. It will not serve you well. And that's because it's adjusting the dynamic range, and there's not much range there when it's dark. So I will only use HDR in the daytime, like I did at the wedding, but at nighttime I would turn it off. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't. I'm excited to make more around topics, around a series of videos like this. I have some great ideas for the rest of the year in 2020. So make sure you stick around. And if you like what I do and you do what I like, remember to hit that subscribe button. Like the video, leave me your thoughts below. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. That right there is the sun. That's what sun looks like in Australia when the sky is covered in smoke. It looks nice, but I wish it wasn't covered in smoke. Hello, bud.